What a way to start 2019 with CES, right? There's lots to look forward to this coming year for technology. Fun fact, CES spans 2 giant convention centers that equal the size of 1,450,400 square feet. That's the size of 24 football fields. The square footage doesn't even include the hotel rooms that's used for product showcase and meetings. It is a huge show and a lot of walking. Trust me, I know. I hatched so many Pokemon with Pokemon Go. Whew, those 10K eggs were nothing. And I'm sure you're all trying to catch up on all the tech tubers coverage. There's a lot out there and a lot of good stuff. We're back for 2019. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon to know when we upload a video. You'll never miss a video. Today, we're gonna recap some of the stuff we saw and walk you through CES 2019. If you kept up with our coverage, you may have already noticed some of your favorite brands stepping into new markets. Asus is making RGB chairs and backpacks. Gigabyte is making monitors with some intriguing feature for us gamers. And MSI is making some prestige looking monitors. The absolute centerpiece of any CES is the wide array of new TVs. We got to see LG's famous and legendary TV tunnel, but this year it wasn't a tunnel. It's more of a wavy wall. Played some cool footage that definitely was a sight to see. Who needs to go hiking when you can be fully immersed in this TV wavy wall? Speaking of LG, you may have heard of the Rollable TV, aka the aesthetic of the future. They had this wicked display to show off the Rollable TV. It's mesmerizing to watch, seeing them all drift up and down. It was really cool. This is some really cool tech. I'd love to see how it looks rolled up inside, without the box. I'd like to see the functionality of all and how it looks. Just, I guess, unboxed? Let's jump to some of our top tech moments of the event. So right off the bat, back to gaming. We checked out our friends at Gigabyte Aorus, and they showed us their new monitor. It's a 1440p IPS tactical gaming monitor. It's packed full of features for us gamers. We have the hotkey-enabled crosshair that's built in to the hardware. It's gonna allow you to essentially have the ability to do no scopes on the screen, which is pretty cool, especially since I'm such a bad shot. The monitor also has built-in aim assist. Now this is cool because games cannot detect its additional software, since like I mentioned before, it's built directly into the hardware of the monitor. The biggest feature of this monitor, above all else, if you're gonna buy it, it's for this one feature, is the ANC, or area noise cancellation. The monitor achieves this by utilizing 3 built-in microphones. Essentially what it does, it analyzes your voice and isolates it, so when you're talking to your team, you're slamming on your blue keyboard and you're just making like it sounds like a machine gun or a typewriter going off, blaring some music, maybe you got your cat on your desk meowing for attention, you're gonna save your friends' ears. So even if you don't have a good mic and you just wanna jam out to music too maybe, boom, the ANC is gonna cancel all that out and just focus on your voice. Pretty easy. This will make gaming with your friends much more enjoyable. And, well, if your friends pick this up as well, your ears will be saved. So, maybe buy one for your friend, buy one for you, hook each other up, there you go. So, here's my reaction of seeing it working.
Please take off your ear cover. Here, is that noise?
Holy hell, that's so loud. That's crazy.
Crazy?
Actually, yeah, that's actually really impressive. Yeah. I'm actually really impressed with that technology, legitimately,
cool, right?
Yeah. The noise cancellation. It's definitely needed, especially when you're in a game of like Overwatch or League and people are just going.
No, yes. People, man. Terrible.
Yeah, you don't need mute function anymore. No, Discord mute function is going away this year. There you go. Now, top tech number 2. EVGA announced the jump to the audio world. Their slogan has always been lifelike gaming. Now we can add lifelike audio. EVGA has been working on this project for years, and this is the fruit of all that labor. We had the unique experience of speaking with the lead engineer on this card, and he ran us through the build of the card, explained why it's studio quality. The card became available earlier this week if you're interested, and we have it on the website right now. So if you are looking for a studio level audio experience, or have that really expensive pair of headphones, or you're just looking up your rig's sound game, consider the following. Picking up this new EVGA sound card. Now, top tech number 3. Speaking of audio, this is a very different take on audio. This will change your gaming experience completely. Razer has always been known to be a trailblazer in the gaming industry. This CES was no different. Razer revealed the RealSense technology, which creates a 4D gaming experience. These new up-and-coming Razer products create a haptic feedback environment, which allows you, the gamer, to feel your games. It works through the sound of the game, so it's compatible with any of your PC games. I played through Doom and Overwatch. To experience this firsthand was something else. To feel my jumps on my back, shooting vibrations in my wrist, and the vibration of screams of my enemy in my headset, I was truly taken in this immersive experience. We were also treated to the first look at the first generation of RTX laptops. MSI revealed the GS75 Stealth, the premium ultra-thin laptop capable of delivering ray tracing technology on the go. So RTX on the go, haha! And we can't mention RTX without talking about the 2060s. EVGA had a cute lineup of the 2060s, and they give consumers a more affordable option for the future of the Turing architecture. Speaking of graphics cards, we also hands-on with the Amd Radeon 7. This is exciting. It looked really cool. The specs and pricing sounds very, very promising, and it comes out soon. So soon, February 7th, my birthday. We cannot wait to get our hands on one of these and hopefully test it out with you guys. So guys, that's it for our CES roundup. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's talk about our MEXP winner, that being Glen. Glen, thank you so much for all commenting, and congratulations. We'll be in contact to get your sweet loot out to you shortly. You guys know the drill. MEXP starts, well, beginning in January. So you've already been commenting on the videos for the last little bit here, and you guys have been entering. Thanks for all your comments about our CES videos. Our prizes this month from our friends at Logitech is the MX900 professional wireless keyboard and headset, and the G933 wireless gaming headset. So you guys, you know the drill. Comment, like, don't forget to hit that subscribe and the little bell icon so you guys know when our videos go live. Again, Steve from Memory Express. I'll see you guys in the next video.